How to make an online digital planner. Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to create a planner in Canva. This tutorial is going to help you if you are looking forward to create a personalized planner. You can organize all your daily tasks in it. So for this, let's go to the Canva website. In this website, you can make multiple things like social media post, presentation, planner, etc. Okay, so here search for the digital planner. And here we get so many templates which you can use, okay, for your planner. But if you want to use this planner which have a pro sign in it, you have to purchase a pro subscription of a Canva, okay. Or if you want to make your own planner, just click on a create a design and search for the A4 document like this. Here we can make our own planner. So let's select the color of our background. I choose white, you can choose any of these color. And now I'm going to add square box here. So I go to the elements, choose a box. I choose this box. No, not this one. I want to choose a square box. So I go to the square and this one. Okay. Now change the color. I want a peach color, so let's search for the peach color. Like this, you have to adjust it. Okay, by adding box it's look like a frame. Okay, you can also make your page smaller and bigger from here. Now to write something here, we have to go to the text. These are the fonts you can use, or you can also use this. Put it where you want to write and adjust it like this. You can also change the color font from here. I choose this one. And also size of the fonts and color of the fonts. Choose this color. So let's write a weekly planner. Okay, and now I want to add 2 lines to write a month and week name. So to add a line, you have to just click L key. By pressing L key, the line is on your page like this, and adjust it. You can also change the thickness of your line from here, okay, like this. And now I'm going to add one more line by copy this line. To copy anything, you have to click on this plus button sign. Now let's put it here. Okay, we have a 7 days in our week, so we are going to add 7 boxes here. So for this, go to the elements and choose box. These are the options. I like this, so I go for this one. You can also change the color of your box from here. I like the white one. Make it smaller and put it here. For the another box, let's copy this box and put it here. Again copy. 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 Like this. Like this, you can add 7 boxes in the page. One more. Okay. Now I want to write some notes in my weekly planner, so I'm going to add one more box, rectangle box. This one, simple one. Okay, make it bigger like this. And now I am going to add another box in these boxes to write a day's name. So text box, these are the text box. I choose this one, or let's see the another option. Click on the box. I like this, so let's select this one and change the color. This one, make it smaller and put it in the box. Let's copy this box and put it in another box. Again copy, copy, copy. Okay, now we are going to write 7 days name. So go to the text, add a subheading and adjust it. Like this. Let's change the fonts from here. And the color of the fonts. Okay. Monday. Copy this text box, put it in another box, copy, again copy this box, copy like this. Tuesday here. Let's write Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. And the last one, Sunday. And here notes, make it bigger. Okay, so our 7 boxes are ready. Now if you want to add some flowers and all, just go to the elements, search for the flower. I like this one, I choose this, make it smaller. Okay, and if you want to add anything, you can search here. Like if I want to add some heart, so let's search for the heart. See, these are the options. I choose this one. You can change the color. Make it smaller and put it in the box. You can also change the position from here like this. Okay, so guys, our planner is ready, and if you want to download this planner, just go to the share button and download from here.